What's up, sneaker family? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a damaged air unit in a pair of Air Jordan 11s with your own DIY Air Jordan 11 air unit replacement. And please stay tuned to the end for some bonus content. I'll be showing you some behind the scenes sneaker repair setup tools and how to apply some patent leather wipe-on sealer. My name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Now let's get into this tutorial.
Alright, so right now we got a pair of, turn this down a little bit. We got a pair of AJ11s, some breads. We took apart, we got to do a reglue, but on the inside, the bubble is like, it's messed up. You can see it has like a hole in it here, it's cracked. And there's no air left for me, so we got to make a new air unit. I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY air unit. Okay, so what you'll need is some foam.
Okay, so I got this foam out of a UV light setup that I bought to ice shoes, and I did some research on the foam. It is waterproof and mold resistant, and it comes back to shape. So it was the perfect kind of material to use for this job. Okay, so all I did was line the air unit up with the foam and then trace it out and cut it out. Now the foam unit is gonna be slightly thicker than the original air unit, so we're gonna have to do some sanding. I'll be using an 80 grit piece of sandpaper attached to a Dremel Versa. If you go take a look at some of my older sneaker restoration videos, I show how to make that attachment. Now, when you're sanding, you want to level off the air unit so that you get a nice even fit when you put the uppers on. You'll be removing more foam towards the front of the midsole than the back. After you finish, just dust everything off and take out your DIY air unit and match it up against the original unit to make sure everything is lined up. If there's a little extra cushion, that's okay, because it will conform to the client's foot.
Okay, so you can see the unit is in there, so we can put it on, and it fits. We're gonna press down once we do the full reglue, but you can see there's no high rise, and we good to go. We good to perform this reglue. So let's go.
If you're interested in learning how to perform minor reglues, just go check out more of my sneaker restoration videos. If you want to learn how to prepare and perform full reglues, check out the information in the description and in the comments, and you'll see what tools and supplies I use for reglues. I also have more videos on patent leather repair as well. But for now, let's go take a look at the behind the scenes footage and content. Thank you for watching.
Okay, I'm just gonna show y'all something here. This is my little DIY sneaker holder setup. It's just a clamp, some wood clamps with a vice grip attached to the top. It's pretty sturdy. I get to move the shoe around and do just about whatever I want. If I'm cleaning it, if I'm applying patent sealer, which is what I'm doing right now, I can hold the shoe upside down, pour this in here. I can just get my sealer just like so, and I got the shoe upside down, and I can apply my sealer without it leaking onto the midsole, like really accurately. I could spin the shoe around and go around it all the way. Once I get to the front and turn, it's pretty much, it's not much I can't do with this little setup right here. So just wanted to show y'all that. It's a little thing I do. It keeps me from having the shoe in my hand like this and then holding my head down all day, because I deal with a lot of shoes. So keeping my neck like this, it could really literally be a pain in the neck. So I just keep it like this up here, and this is how I do my work. Well, some of it anyway. Okay. So now for like the seams or the corners, I just dip in my
little triangle, and then I just dab the corners or the seams with some sealer. Because sometimes it could be like, the edges could look a little rough. So, just catching those seams. That one is dripping too much, so I'm gonna wipe that. Because you don't want it to drip that much. Just dipping that in there. Okay, I dip it in. Now I'm just gonna wipe that seam off. Just like so. I just wiped it just like that with my shirt. Okay. Now let that sit and just dry until the seam looks better. Just with that. And here are the final results. Now please stay tuned for some special offers. Again, my name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a month online selling old shoes today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.